Hello, my name is Teacher Deborah, and while I'm new to Amazing Talker, I am not new to teaching English online. I've been teaching English online for 4 years, and I have taught over 8,000 lessons and 1,475 students. Wow! Shh. I love to be in the classroom. My college degree was in teaching piano, and I taught piano for 17 years. Most of my adult life has been as a teacher. I like my classroom to be relaxed, fun, and I want my students to speak as much as possible. So I like to focus on proper pronunciation, grammar, and being able to have a conversation that another speaker can understand. I want my students to have fun in the classroom, and I want them to learn well so that they can be able to communicate easily with anyone they come into contact with. When I started learning another language, I realized just how difficult it is to learn to speak correctly, to learn to speak with the correct pronunciation. So that is my focus, and because of my learning, I am very patient. So please click the link, sign up for one of my trial classes, and I'll see you in the classroom.